Hey everybody, XJoy81X on Tubes. Today I'm going to be trying a hack. And the hack means boiling hot water on top of these terminals will get rid of this crust. I have boiling hot water starting to boil in the garage. It is a typical glass teapot, and we're going to see if this works. There is corrosion a lot on the side there. Now normally you would take the shroud off. If you really wanted to get technical, you could take this off, disconnect this, the battery comes out, and you could kind of clean it. But I'm going to see how that works. There's really nothing under there that really can't get wet. It shouldn't, but let's see if the water's boiling. I have this teapot from Hampton Beach. I filled it up a little bit because we both know that, you know, the more the merrier. It's going to be boiling any second. It'll beep when it's done. We'll bring the phone back over to the tripod and we'll very slowly pour water. And we'll see if it actually functions as a life hack. I've seen it. I've never tried it. I didn't think that my car needed it. But without taking the battery off and scrubbing it, and what else is you got to do? And that's boiling hot water. I guess you got to be careful when pouring this over plastic. Well, let's go. I got my scalding hot water. Let's zoom in on the schmutz for you. We're gonna go negative first, and let's see. Here it comes. Yeah, that works. We're gonna go positive. Yeah, life hack complete. I could get a towel eventually. Just want to maybe get in the positive a little bit. I'm going to consider that positive. You don't have to, but just grab a towel. You're also cleaning battery. Once again, you got to be careful if you disconnected anything. Wow, that's clean as a whistle. I don't know how many whistles are dirty, but the hack doesn't show, you know, doing this. But for the most part, yeah, there's water down there, and yeah, it's there. The sediment is on the bottom. You know, I don't mean to be, you know, whatever, but if you really wanted to do it the right way, you could take it out. But this is like the quick way. Maybe it's not running. Maybe there's too much, you know, schmutz. However you want to call it, your car. I'm happy. Maybe come back. Maybe it comes back quicker, right? You know, because it's like, oh, let's clean it. You know, you kind of made it porous. It's like power washing something and then it comes back twice as dirty. Alright, well, I'm happy. Put this cap back on. It stops everything from shorting, if you care. And the negative's there. Huh. Ain't that something? Something on the internet that worked. Howdy doody time. This is gonna wrap up this segment of internet stuff that works. 12/20, 4 years. That's gonna crap out soon. Hit like, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. And this was the hot water on battery terminal corrosion life hack. Take it easy.